Today I'll be showing you how to create a content with your Bible. Download the Bible app, pick the passage you want. Today I'm using Jeremiah 33:3. So I pick the passage, highlight it, select it, then create image, turn it to image. Then it will give you image. Like if it's a popular one, it will give you image. If not, scroll down and pick one of the images. Then it will give you something like this. You can download it from the Bible app and edit it. You can take the Bible app away. That Bible app I'm using is a very common one. It's YouVersion. I'm saving it on my phone right here. So it's gonna go into your gallery or your images. You can edit it there. But I took it to CapCut straight and I edited it from CapCut. So open your CapCut, new project, go to photos, then pick it. So if you pick it, will be on your timeline. The first thing you need to do on CapCut is to increase the length. You see, I click on it and I'm editing it. I drag it. Right now it's in the normal aspect ratio. We need to change it to, because we want to use it for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So we need to go to aspect ratio and pick 9:16. That's the first one with the TikTok logo. So use your hand to adjust the image to fit in that square for the length of what you want to do. Delete that CapCut at the back. Delete the CapCut. Increase the length. I increase the length here to like 22 seconds. Just drag it, then it will increase. Next thing I'm doing is I was splitting so that I can add animation or transition in between. So when you hold down the middle one where you split, then you can add these animations and transition automatically. When you hold it down, it will come up. You pick what you want. Again, the middle there, hold it down, then you pick. This is animations in and out. So I like this one, so I selected these as well. That's it. It's pretty much done. If you want to add audio, you can add audio here, but I prefer to add audio on YouTube. I prefer to pick YouTube audio because of copyright issues. So that's it. It's done. At this point, all you need to do is to click on export if you have CapCut Pro. If you don't have Pro, you want to take it now to YouTube. Click on your YouTube account, click on the plus at the bottom. That's where you upload. Well, it's a short, not the video. The second one is the short. You click on the short and you pick the video. By now you turn it to a video, 24 seconds video. We're uploading it right now. Here is dead. The next thing to do here is to add a sound. Click on add sound and look for the sound. I want instrumental gospel, so I picked instrumental gospel. I typed it came out. I know that I knew this one already, the first one, Alone with God, so I picked it. After picking it, you click on the tick, then it will be ready. It's ready. So if you want to add a timeline, you click on the timeline. That's like the title. I say call to me, because the passage was saying call to me, and we answer you and we tell you great and mighty things that you know not. So I reduced the length of the timeline so that it won't be all over the video. You can drag it forward and backward. Then you say next, it will be processing. It's almost ready. So add caption to your short. That means what you want people to see to read. Caption is very, very important. Make sure your caption has your keyword. My keyword is call to me. So should I just leave it as call to me? I thought about it. I said, okay, let's leave it, because I'm just doing an example. At this point, you can add hashtag if you want. One or two is cool. If you don't want to add hashtag, there's no problem. You can add hashtag in your description. But I added daily reading and prayer today to it. Here is very important as well. If you pick unlisted, that means anyone you share the video with, they will be able to view it. If you put it on private, only you. If you put it on public, everybody will see it and they will be able to comment. So make sure you pick public. And here again, select audience. If you click no, it's not made for kids, then comment section will be allowed. But if you pick yes, it's made for kids, comment section will not be allowed and you will not be monetized. You can read that there. But if you pick no, no is very good if you want people to comment and if you want to make money on it later on. That's it. You just click on upload. But after this, you need your description. You wait for it to load. It took a while for it to load. Then you open it again. You go to the three dot edit. Then you see description part. You can, at this point, you can change your thumbnail as well. Thumbnail is very important on YouTube. Thumbnail is important. Description is important. Caption is important as well. Make sure you are putting keyword in all those areas, especially description and caption. Again, my keyword is call. If you call on God, He will answer you. He has promised. He will fulfill His promises or His promise. Like that. So that was my description. Though sometimes you add more stuff to your description. The video is pretty much ready. Add your hashtag, and that is it. Follow me for more like this. Subscribe to my channel. Save, share.